The Occitan Nation Party supports the idea of farmers blocking access to Paris.
Farmers are showing their anger just about everywhere in France, but mainly in the 32 Occitan departments. The promises made to them by the governments of Gabriel Attal and Michel Barnier have only been partially kept. What's more, the President of the European Commission, Ursula Van der Leyen, overruling the opposition of France and some other European countries, is going to get the European Union to sign the Mercosur agreement, the agricultural aspects of which are disastrous for farmers. The Green Deal is still on the agenda. Other European regulations made even stricter by the French government. The arrival at the head of the French government of an Occitan Prime Minister, François Bayrou comes from Béarn, will no doubt not be enough to free us from the inertia and abusive centralism of the French deep state, the source of many of our problems in Occitania. That's why the Occitan Nation Party can only encourage Occitan farmers to put pressure on him by blockading Paris, the seat of the French Jacobin administration.